Gouna Plus is about the team. Their commitment, their enthusiasm is what really sold me in the first place. I have a passion for the sea, big passion for the sea. And in Gouna, I live this passion. It's a dream come true. I've been here for almost 20 years. I wouldn't swap it for anywhere else in the world. A friend of mine invited me here. And since then, I've been coming and going. I actually lived the first 8 years on my yacht here. I was living on a yacht, then decided to buy a house, which was a very wise decision. But the house needed the renovation. And I was approached by Gouna Plus. Gouna Plus is about the team. Their commitment, their enthusiasm is what really sold me in the first place. Gouna Plus is really a platform that has facilitated a complete turnkey job, from getting me the best designers, coming with a solution, comprehensive solution that also fits within the environment. There was a lot of focus on my needs and my requirements to build really a dream home that I'm looking forward to live in for the next 20 years, hopefully. What they have delivered so far is amazing. The design they came with is something wow to be seen. I think that'll be a surprise. The timeline that they have set is very ambitious timeline for delivering, and I have a feeling that he will deliver as committed.